In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit PDF in iLovePDF. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to all PDF tools up top, and then from here, where it says Edit PDF, of course, you have a bunch of different editing tools over here, but the one that's the most universal is this one, which is called Edit PDF. So just click on that, and over here, you'll have to then select your PDF file or just drop it in here. I'm just going to drop it in here. There we go. And then from here, as you can see, it's going to allow you to basically edit the PDF. So for me right now, I can only annotate, so basically put on different notes. As you can see here, I can just add on text, for example, like this, and I can edit that way. And then I can, of course, add on images if I want to, like that. I could just go ahead and, of course, select something and add it in here, move it around, resize it, stuff like that. I could draw over it like this, and then here I could also add on different shapes. I could go ahead and, of course, try blurring something. So, for example, if I do rectangle over here, I can go ahead and do like redactions or something like that, and that's completely possible. However, if you want to edit, as you can see here, you can now edit existing text directly in the document. This is a new feature, but it is a premium feature. So if you want to do that, you want to switch over here to edit, and then you'll have to get one of their premium plans. And once you do that, you of course will be able to change that as well. So if I show you very quickly over here, let me remove this, there we go. You can now go ahead and actually go inside this text, and I can delete this. I could go ahead and type in whatever I want here, and yeah, that's pretty much how it's working. It's very cool. As you can see over here, I can pretty much edit whatever I want on the PDF. I can like change it. I can go ahead and make this bolder. I could go ahead and remove it, switch it, etc. And whenever you're done that, you can just click on Edit PDF over here, and that's going to basically allow you to get and download your processed PDF. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.